Why is Epson ET-7750 not printing, and how to fix it? For quick solutions. Method 1. Check the printer ink level. Step 1. Look for the printer icon on the status bar of your computer. Step 2. Double-click on it to open the printer utility tool. Step 3. Check the ink level from the printer utility tool. Step 4. If it shows low ink warning, you should consider refilling the tanks. Method 2. Check the printer head nozzle. Step 1. Load a few sheets of plain paper into the tray. Step 2. Press the home button on your printer. Step 3. Navigate to settings using the arrow buttons. Step 4. Go to maintenance and tap on OK to confirm. Step 5. Then select nozzle check to print the nozzle check pattern. Step 6. Check the printed pattern for missing lines and determine whether a head cleaning is required. Step 7. If a head cleaning is required, go to maintenance again. Step 8. Then select head cleaning and press OK. Step 9. Press the Start Cleaning button to clean the print head. Step 10. When the cleaning cycle is done, you will see a completion message on the LCD screen. Step 11. Now select Nozzle check and the OK button to print a nozzle check pattern and confirm that the print head is clean. Method 3. Set your printer to skip blank pages. Step 1. Go to Settings from the Windows button. Step 2. Select Devices and then go to Printers and Scanners. Step 3. Select your printer, then click on Manage and go to Maintenance tab. Step 4. Then go to Extended Settings option and click Skip Blank Page. Step 5. Select OK. Method 4. Factory reset the printer. Step 1. Turn off the Epson printer. Step 2. Find the reset button at the back of your Epson printer near the Ethernet port. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button and turn on the Epson printer. Step 4. Leave the reset button when the printer prints a message. Step 5. After a while, a new page with the default IP address of the printer will be printed. Step 6. Your Epson printer is now reset. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at +1 87746902997 +44 800 0548 150.